come join the fun. You're invited. Come hang out. Let me show you what it's about. What's going on YouTube? It's Shifter. We are here with another moto vlog on this beautiful, lovely day. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. I really appreciate it. Anyone that stops by and shows some love, it means the world to me. We're just out here for a little cruise today. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. It's beautiful out. And guys, I have to say, I'm so bummed. It's been getting colder and colder where I'm at. It's gotten down to the 40s last week. It's been miserable. I'm jealous of all you guys that get to ride all year long. West Coast, down south, East Coast. All I can say is it's been getting cold. October is right around the corner, and I'm extremely not looking forward to it. Don't get me wrong, guys, I love Halloween. And I actually love Christmas, but what comes with those is snow for 6 months. So what I'm trying to think of is, what am I gonna do during that 6 months for the motovlog channel? I do want to do some work on my R6. You know, I'm thinking about getting new fairings. I gotta do an oil change. I have to install the rectifier, a new rectifier in my bike. So I might do some tutorial videos, try to come out with some stuff, content, keep the channel alive, keep it going. We've had amazing momentum, guys. I feel it. I've gotten so much love on the videos I've been posting, and it really means a lot to me. I've gotten a lot of feedback, things that were working, things that aren't working, and I just gotta say thank you to anyone who's given me their input. Thank you to you guys for watching, for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to me. There, it's a nice little SI, Honda Civic SI. Hey, what's poppin'? Guys, I'm gonna be so depressed when I have to put this bad boy in the garage for 6 months. I don't know what I'm gonna do. For any of you guys watching, please give me some advice. I need some content to come up with. Like I said, I got a couple things in mind, and I'm not depending the channel on you guys, but you guys are what keeps the channel alive. Let me know what you guys want to see in the channel. Let me know what sparks your interest. I wish I had a snowmobile. I'd do some vlogs on the snowmobile. That would be so sick. I'm gonna try to hit up some friends, see who's got a snowmobile I can ride, so that we can do some GoPro footage of that. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. tell my bike needs a little tune-up. I need an oil change, spark plugs. So yeah, we're just out here getting every chance I get to put out some content, enjoy this weather while it's here. Hey, whoever's watching, comment down below what state you're from and let me know if you guys have to go through the same thing that I do. Having to put this 120 horsepower beast away for 6 months. It's depressing, but it's all right. We'll make it through. I think that's what makes riding so much fun in Minnesota. We get 6 months of downtime, and then once that warm weather starts rolling in, everyone's hyped up, everyone's excited. It's kind of like one of those things where you don't really know what you have until it's gone, right? But yeah guys, today we're gonna do a short little vlog. Just wanted to give you an update that the time is coming. I only have a couple more weeks left of riding before I gotta put my bike away. But don't worry, we're gonna be smart, we're gonna be creative. We're gonna find content to put out. I'm not gonna let a little bit of snow, or I guess a lot of snow, dictate what I do. The one thing about living in Minnesota, guys, yeah, we have snow. It's a cool little chopper. Yeah, we do have snow, guys, and it sucks, but our winters and the springs and the falls are freaking beautiful. Wonder how many times a day when I'm riding, people are just like, oh, look at this motorcyclist speeding and thinking he's cool. Hey, we're just out here having fun. Come join the fun. You're invited. Come hang out. Let me show you what it's about. For me, I love going fast, of course, but honestly, it's just being outside and seeing the weather, the trees, everything. This is what it's all about, guys. head nod. Oh, we ain't done. Swerve over. Dang, look at that dude. Wheelchair and all. He's like, I'm good. He's like, wheelchair ain't stopping me. Go ahead, bro. He's sidetracked. There's a green light. Go. That's funny. I love it. I love it. Just like I said, guys, that's what it's all about. It's just the little things. You get to feel free. See if we could do a little clutch up right here. Oh, that was crazy. I know my wheel only probably came up a couple inches, but oh man, I'm gonna get those clutch ups one day, I promise. I pinky promise to you guys, we're gonna be popping wheelies next year. We're gonna be popping. I'm gonna practice for the next couple weeks. For anyone that's watching, like I said at the beginning of this video, I really appreciate anyone that stops by the channel. Whether you're showing love, whether you're just curious, whether you watch to hate on me, it does not matter. I love everyone. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll be coming out with more and more content. Like I said, we won't let this snow stop us. It's gonna be tough, but there's ways to be creative. That's all it means. It just means we gotta think outside the box and, you know, what the future of this channel looks like and what that holds. But back to what I was saying, guys, I appreciate you so much. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Peace.